Hi everyone, my name's Electric Donkey and welcome to another little review sort of thing, Donkey's Feedback I think it's called. So today, as I say in the last video, as I said, we've got two things to cover. This is the second one, and this is called Cube Subject School Project Need Feedback, and this is by Haven Hun. And I feel like I've heard that name before, and I might have reviewed another one of your games by accident or something anyway. As I say, go and check out my GameMaker / Starbound Discord channel. I will leave a link in the description as always. You know, there's loads going on here. It's just in the Starbound channel. So, today, Cube Subject. Cube Subject is a 2D platformer game with lots of tricky tracks and different blocks. Each have a different behaviour. So, straight off the bat, actually, having a look down, I'm already liking it. And the reason is because we've got these changelogs. You know, really simple things that do make a big difference. And he's just posted them in every so often. A nice little trailer there, some picture sort of stuff. It looks pretty nice actually, it looks pretty well made. Yeah, art looks pretty cool. So let's just read these instructions really quickly. So we're gonna go to simple because otherwise it will kill the computer. So you can restart with R, game saves automatically, blah 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 blah. Anyway, let's just give it a go and open it. So, I have actually opened this before, and I think it's probably not made for 1080p, which annoys me because if you see this isn't 1080p. Something, yeah, we're off the screen here. So, if we press 0, also we can't click options. It doesn't work, guys. So something needs to be changed there because 1080p, most people will be playing on that or 4K probably, but you know, if you're gonna have 4K, you need an option for the other ones. So, arrow keys to move, up to jump, up. Okay, so pretty simple concepts. Nice effects though. You know, the jumping and everything, it seems nice and well built. This is actually put in the This is actually in the work in progress file, which, you know, I was kind of shocked when I saw it in work in progress. I thought, you know, looking at these screenshots and stuff, this is going to be either finished or very close to finished. But apparently not so. So let's go and just play around a little bit here. Okay, so we can't go up there, we've got to come over here and push this one over. So far this seems relatively easy. I'm going to try and get at least a little bit of playtime down so we can get a feel for how difficult it gets or not. I don't actually know how many levels there are. It doesn't say anywhere, which is another little, it's a little UI problem, I'd say. My guess is here as well you've actually used physics. I think that's probably the main thing that's gone on here. But without looking at the actual code and stuff, I wouldn't know. Makes it look pretty fancy though, I've got to admit. The particles and stuff. But if I press... okay, there we go, it works now. If I press 0, it's just hopefully not going to kill everything. Okay, what... so we fell down. Okay, so we just start right back up again. That's pretty neat. So, what are we doing here? Who knows? So it looks like we can only jump up one block. I have no real opinion on that at all. Only thing so far I've noticed is this is incredibly easy. I'm presuming this doesn't go on like this for the whole game, but really without playing it, I wouldn't know. I'm going to presume this stuff hurts, yes. This is one of the games, you know, I keep going on about needing a tutorial. This is one of the games that you don't need a tutorial. So if you were to go out and watch one of my videos and say, hey, I need a tutorial on this, this game doesn't need a tutorial. I've figured it out for myself. Games that are more complicated, so if you're doing like an RPG, off the top of my head, like a shooter or anything too complicated, this is really simple physicsy sort of stuff. Nothing too complicated going on. I can figure it out for myself. That's also part of the fun on this. If I had a tutorial, I'd kind of bored out of my mind, I think. But this is shaping up to be pretty good. That's kind of annoying. Oh dear. I'm not sure if you can hear the music or not, guys. It's pretty nice music, I'd say. It's actually coming through the speakers at the minute, so that's why you might be able to hear it. It won't be super high quality or anything, though, if it is. So now I'm thinking, well, how on earth do I get up here? Maybe I go boing, boing, boing. Okay. That's pretty neat, I think, you know, to have that actually built in and everything. It's pretty cool. I'll take that. It seems relatively well optimized on that. Well, only thing I would say, checkpoints, definitely. I wonder if we can cheat here. Let's go and see. See, I'm wondering if we can go. Oh, little glitch there, I think. No, so we can't quite get up there. Seems a bit weird, but whatever. Let's just see if we can just Geronimo off the edge. No. So it seems whoever's made this, Mr. Haven Hun, or I presume it's a Mr. It could be a Mrs. I guess. Has actually gone through and tested all these levels himself, or he's got a tester or something to do it. I'm not sure. The only thing I have noticed, just ever so slightly, if we can try and recreate it, there on that side, for some reason, if we land on that on something else, it goes a bit weird, and we get a little gap in the middle. Let's just see if we can replicate that on any of the other sides. What on earth happened there? Okay, so we can go. See there, so there's something. Hang on a minute. Might be worth just checking, just making sure everything lines up properly. If you're using Box 2D physics, might be worth checking that the bounding box, is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Basically, the box that's the collision box, something like that, is matched up correctly, because that would be the main thing going on. And also the collision box of these little box things that we're pushing. The collision box of the little boxes. Just make sure everything adds up right. So if we, okay, sorted. There we go. So that was relatively tricky. I wouldn't say puzzling or in any way. I'd say it was more just time consuming, which in a way gets repetitive, etc. So you probably want checkpoints, I'd say, or after a certain. Hang on a minute. How am I going to get out of here? Because I can't. I presume we need this, yeah. How are we going to do that then? Maybe we don't need it. Maybe it's just me being stupid. Maybe if we just go down here. Yeah, we do actually need it there, but for the moment, guys, this is a pretty well made. Actually, we can see the levels here. Mind you, I can't actually. I can't actually see any further than this, as you can see. I think it was either made on some kind of weird screen, because if you think about it, it's not too. It'd have to be a really wide screen or something. Whatever you've made it on, Mr. or Mrs. Haven Hun, just make sure you've not got some kind of weird monitor of some sort. Let's just check really quickly this trailer and just see if it's got the bars on the top, because yeah, it does actually have slight bars on the top. So that would suggest that you've got something that isn't 1080p or equivalent. So that's kind of an issue there, because you know most people will be using a widescreen resolution, and that's probably not a widescreen resolution, or it's a really widescreen resolution. But anyway, guys, that was about it for today. Remember to go check out the Discord channel. Remember to like, comment, or subscribe, or just do whatever you guys want to do, and I will talk to you next time.